Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be trying Incoco. I have no idea how to pronounce it correctly. They sent me their products, thank you. I'll do my reviews with my honest opinions though. Back in 2022, I tried their product on only one finger at Costco in Japan. Today I get to try 10, yay! Well, I'm kind of concerned about the size. Aren't they too big for my fingers? This includes 8 sizes. I think I have to cut them to my size. I'm allergic to gel nail, but Incoco is made of nail polish, so I can comfortably wear them. The removal will be easy too. So first I need to choose the right size. 2. Remove the clear film. 3. Peel the polish sheet. Okay, so I have to peel twice. This is kind of important, but I completely forgot about it when I did my nails. Take the silver tab off. Stick it in the cuticle area. Cut the excess. Alright, let's get started. This set is called Beauty Sleep. Let me read the instruction. It's made of nail polish, so as soon as you open it, it starts to dry. So you have to use them all after you break the seal. Remove moisture and oil from your nails. Don't cover your skin. You can easily cut it with your thumb, so do your thumb as the last step. Avoid water and cream on your nails right after you put them. It's kind of hard at low temperatures, and it will be soft at high temperatures. I've got a mini file in it. Okay, let's get started. I'm cleaning my nails with ethanol. When I opened it, I smelled nail polish a little. I'm gonna do the pinky first. I'm removing the transparent film. Now, I was supposed to peel the other film, but I forgot. Instead, I took off this tab. It wasn't the end of the world. I was able to peel it off with tweezers. It was a little curly, but I was able to put it on, no problem. I'm pressing it pretty hard, and I'm supposed to use my thumb to tear, right? Now I'm gonna use a file to file the excess off. Oh, it's so easy and quick. Okay, I'm gonna do my ring finger now. The transparent sheet first, and the other film. I put it on, but I found something wrong with it. Now I want to peel it off. Can I? Yes, I can. Probably it's better to use the other side. Did you notice something? This set looked really white before peeling off the films, but now it looks really translucent. So this set is Beauty Sleep, right? Is it something to do with Sleeping Beauty? Her name is Princess Aurora, right? That's why this set has kind of like Aurora vibe. Oh, by the way, this sheet is really stretchy, so it fits your nail curves very well. I think I got the hang of it after 2 fingers. It's super easy. Now I couldn't find the right size for my index finger. I'm gonna cut it after I put it on my nail. Probably it's difficult for you to tell, but it's got such a beautiful aurora thing going on. So obviously it's a little too big for my nail. I'm being super careful not to hurt my skin. I wonder what to do with my dominant hand. Probably I should cut it before I put it on my nail. This sheet is kind of hard at low temperatures, and it's kind of loose at high temperatures. So I want to generate frictional heat by scratching it hard to stick it tight. Yeah, I think it's working. I think Incoco will be stickier in warm seasons. After cutting it, I try to generate some frictional heat. Yep, it's done. I filmed this in the natural light. It doesn't do justice. It was pretty easy to do my dominant hand nails. I did all the other nails and this is the very last nail I'm doing. I pressed really hard and now I realized there's a gap here. I pressed really hard, so now it's difficult to peel it off. This proves that Incoco is really sticky. On the other hand though, I can't clean it. I need nail polish remover. I got this from Incoco as well. This container is childproof. You need to push down and turn to open. Whoa, something came out. Oh, it didn't explode. Phew. Oh, this smells nice. Inside is sponge and nail polish remover. I'm gonna put my thumb and turn it. You are not supposed to tilt it, but I tilted. Well, I couldn't use the container applied because of the camera. Oh, look at that, it cleaned so well. I got some nail remover on the table. There's so much nail remover in it, nice. So I'm gonna do my thumbnail again. I'm gonna cut it before I put it on my nail. I used one little hack. I put it on a stamper because my left hand is not stable to place it on the spot. Of course, you shouldn't put the sticky side on the stamper. This should do it. Yes! Stampers are versatile. Now pressure and frictional heat. So this is the very last step. Both hands are done. It was really quick, so I've got some time to play around. Nail stamping. This stamper is from CanDo, a 100 yen store in Japan. I'm gonna use this super opaque stamping polish from Walmart in Hawaii. I'm gonna have a stamper and an old prepaid card ready at the table. I hope Incoco takes nail stamping. Incoco is not completely dry, so I'm sure I can stamp on it. Yes, I can. I really like the contrast of the white and the Incoco colors. Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat Oil. You can find the link in the description in this video. This works really well and lasts long. I'm gonna stamp more. Such a clean print, I love it. I'm gonna stamp more. I'm trying to stamp it in the center, the very center. It's so cute. No smudge top coat. I'm gonna put a pearl accessory on it. I'm painting Paradu Gel Look top coat once. I didn't need to top coat all the fingers. but I want to have the same glossiness on all the nails. After drying it really well, I'm gonna paint Seshevit. The whole idea of Incoco is to save time and quick nail art, but I like the process of creating something. So this is a final look. It looks super cute, really pretty, I love it. But actually I experienced something unusual. Probably Seshevit was a bad idea. Seshevit shrinks a lot when it dries. I think when Seche dried, it pulled the Incoco film. But it stuck really well and I couldn't peel it off. I stamped on my right fingers as well. It's really cute with a round shape. I like both thumbs. So with Incoco, you can do nails super fast, and you can remove it with nail polish remover. It's available on Incoco official site, Amazon, Rakuten, and Yahoo Shopping. You might be able to get it at drugstores in Japan. Please check it out. Be careful when you use top coat though. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!